Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make an appointment at Wells Fargo online in just a few simple steps. No need to call or walk in. Once you're on the appointment page, you'll be asked what you need help with. You can choose from things like opening an account, getting a notary, or managing an existing account. Next, enter your zip code or city to find a nearby branch. Then select the location that works best for you. Now pick a date and time that fits your schedule. Wells Fargo lets you book up to 4 weeks in advance, or sometimes even same-day appointments if available. Enter your name, email, and phone number so they can send you a confirmation. You'll also be asked if you're an existing Wells Fargo customer. Once you submit the form, you'll get a confirmation by email or text. For your appointment, bring 2 forms of ID and any documents related to your visit, like a marriage certificate or power of attorney if you're updating account info. And that's it. That's how you schedule an appointment with Wells Fargo online in under 2 minutes. Drop a like if this helped, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.